Okay, today is going to be a freestyle hair fake tutorial. I don't want to say it's a tutorial only because I've never done this before. So I guess it's a trial and error. Let's call it that, okay, guys? So yeah, see my hair. It's kind of newly washed, wash and go. But what I'm going to attempt is I'm going to try to give myself some fake bangs. And by that, I'm going to try to make this area of my hair tighter curled by doing a bantu knot. First try. And see if they make this tight enough so it can be at least up like that. Or better, hopefully better. So before cutting my hair or shaping it, so this area can be shorter, I just want to see how it looks. And maybe, I may not need to cut it if I could just pull off this illusion that it's shorter and shaped different. So I'm not the best parter. I'm going to part this area and do a bantu knot. And I'll be right back, guys. What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, I simply just parted this hair with my fingers. Okay, y'all. I already told y'all I don't know how to part. So this is the amount that I pulled out to do like a bantu knot. I think I'm going to go with a bantu knot. Okay, guys. And this is the product, so I'm going to get rid of it, that I use. I really don't like this product, but I think it'll give me enough hold so when it dries that it caused the shrinkage that I'm hoping for. I do not recommend this product, guys. I'm just getting rid of it, okay? So, I'm finna do a bantu knot. And I'm not finna do no tutorial about no bantu knot. Why? Because I'm not a bantu knot expert in any form or fashion. So, there's plenty of videos for that. I'm just showing y'all the process I'm doing this fake bang shape approach. Let's do the next step. Okay, guys, I finished it. I decided to also wet the back of my hair so it could be more of a cohesive hairstyle, we pray. So this is how my bantu knots turned out. Not the best, as I mentioned. I am not a what? Let's say it together. A bantu expert. So we're going to let this dry. And regardless of how it looks, y'all will see the end results. Cross your fingers and pray. I will be back. Okay, guys, this is the end results. It did not work. All it did was give me, look how long this still is. It just gave me a different curl pattern. It did not draw up like I wanted it to. So y'all see it? I mean, it's a tight little twist out, I guess. So that's the curl pattern. So you got wash and go in that back, a twist out in the front. Looking like a DA fool. My kid don't cuss on here. I just want y'all to see it before I try to look decent. See? It's a no. It did not work, guys. I thought it was going to draw up. It did not. It did not at all. I even tried to use a blow dryer to dry it some more. Get it out my face, people. I don't like, and that's the funny part. I really don't like hair in my face, y'all. Y'all, what I do for y'all? Oh my God. This is annoying since it's not short. So that's not a hack that I would recommend. So I guess if I want a shape, I'm just going to have to cut it into that shape. And now I don't like, because it left stickiness. And I really ain't feeling that. So that's the end results, guys. It's a fail. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, even though it was a fail, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. I see you guys in the next video. Deuces. I need to wash my hair. Oh my God.